It really is okay. Thanks, Owl. Let's just carry on. Okay, so how about we play Murder Mystery next? It's a fun thing, I guess. Can I sit out on this? I'm not really good at it. Anyone can sit out as they want to. I don't really mind. It will be a loss for them. I don't really care. So, Milo will save roles. I don't know how to play. Just play on. I don't really care if you can't play. Just spread out. Can I know my role now? Okay. You're innocent. Okay. I'm gonna wait here. Oh, that sucks. I don't want to be that role. Too bad. You're that role. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I'm okay with that role. Okay, I don't really mind. Play! Now! Okay. Why is Acorn being so fast? I don't really care. I'm Sheriff! Don't explode like that, you could get caught. I don't really care. But anyways. So, I run as fast as I can. So yeah. What? Wait. Acorn, weren't you just all the way down there? Yeah, I just wanted to go for a little run. Typical. Why are we all having a meeting? I don't know. I'm gonna stay away from all of them. Huh? Coco, stay away from me. I don't know if you're a murderer or not. Ugh. Listen here, you puny pup. If you try to even explode my secret, I will not be afraid to do what happened to Colo to you. Please no. I won't say that you're a villain or something. Good. You better not. Or I won't dare to kill you. Yes. And if you also don't want to get killed, then I have a request. What is it? I want you. Only you. And you'll never suspect it. To knock another one out. And that someone is Crow. Huh? Her? Why not the others? Because you need to know your strengths. You need to get over your weaknesses. Crow isn't my weakness. Oh, I've seen how you act around her. Anything which will have to be dedicated to hurting Crow, you will not accept, but anything else hurting others, you will accept. So you have to, or you know what happens. Okay. I'll do it. Good. Now go on. This is gonna work very well. Coco's probably gonna turn off the light, giving me the chance. Hey, does anyone know where Goldie is at? I don't know. Maybe she's still down there. She would have went up here to greet all of us, so... yeah. I have my suspicions it's Sheba. Yeah. Should I shoot her? Don't go to conclusions yet, actually. She may not be the actual killer. Maybe she just acts like it a lot. Well, her stuttering is one thing. Who's gonna tell her? Tell me what? No one. It's gonna blow her secret and make Sheba very embarrassed. Okay. Let's just go find Goldie. Oh shoot. Why did you say oh shoot? I said okay. Yeah, that's what I said. Okay. Hey, wasn't Crow just here? I mean, not that's me. I meant, Econ? Yeah, probably went away. Did you say so? There we go. Now that is all perfect. Whoa! Who turned off the lights again? Hey! Huh? But you are dead. Is everyone still alive? I'm gonna get back the power on. Ugh. Oh my god! Sheba! Acorn! They're both been knocked out! What a tragedy. Oh, what are you saying? You hate Sheba! Oh, this is not good. We only just discovered Goldie's dead body, so we thought it would be thingy Acorn, but Acorn's on the floor knocked out, so he probably still was. But anyways, let's just get them to so they can rest. Okay. Rude much? Oh, shush. So what should we do now? You're the one who hosted the party, not us. Yeah, so it's your decision. Maybe we should just rest as well. Me and Milo will go get some food. Okay. Sheba. So, what do we... I'm just gonna lay down. And just... Okay, we're being very silent right now. Not surprising. Cry. Okay. We're back. Oh, that's a very big piece. Another one? Yeah, we thought there was lots of us, so decided to get more. I guess we could eat. B, feel free. What about them? They can eat after. Did their bodies just move? No. I'm probably seeing things. Okay, there we go. Oh! You guys are alive! Well, yeah. Sheba. Shush. If you dare to expose us, I will kill you. Well, what's happening? Nothing. All I remember is someone's claws digging into my throat. That must be painful. What do you think? Well, I guess we should all rest for now. This is getting kind of out of hand. Yeah. I would call off the party, but my parents... Well, me and Milo's parents are expecting us, well, everyone to come back tomorrow in the evening. So, yeah. It's the evening right now, so I guess we could just... I don't know. I suggest that we do some... No! No way! Yeah. We can just chill out for now? That's technically what I'm saying. Or we could get ready for bed. Yay! Sleepover! Nice. We're gonna be sleeping on the big pillow. Yes. Oh, Sheba? Acorn? Yeah? Make sure to eat. Okay, yeah, we're eating right now. So this is where we're all gonna be sleeping? Of course. It's one of the best places ever. I guess. I'd rather sleep on solid. Okay. I'm just gonna lay down for now. I'm gonna stand here. Me and Milo are just gonna discuss the next piece of the thing. Party. Actually, wait. Good job, Sheba. Okay. Thank you. But that was the wrong person. That's why I threatened them to join us, so they can help. You failed your task. I'm very disappointed in you. Yes. You better go after Crow next time, or I'll do it to you. Proper this time. Okay. Ah, you've arrived. Why are you even doing this, Coco? Because I hate everyone. But if I have sidekicks, I'll be right okay. So, next target, which Sheba failed, she only went after you, will be Crow.